Life is an incredible journey filled with twists and turns, challenges, and triumphs. Along this journey, you have encountered various situations that have shaped you into the person you are today. But here's the thing, deep within you, there is a reservoir of untapped potential, a power that has been waiting for the right moment to burst forth and propel you to new heights. It's time to meet your superpower. Your superpower is not about leaping tall buildings or flying through the sky. It's a unique combination of your strengths, passions, and the essence of who you are. It's the force that empowers you to overcome obstacles, pursue your dreams, and make a lasting impact on the world around you. So, how do you go about discovering and activating this superpower? Let's embark on a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and personal growth. Embrace continuous learning. Your superpower thrives on knowledge and adaptability. In a rapidly changing world, the ability to learn continuously is a superpower in itself. Cultivate a mindset of curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. Stay open to new ideas, seek out opportunities for growth, and be willing to step into the unknown. Learning is not just about formal education. It's a lifelong journey of exploration and self-improvement. Equip yourself with the skills and insights needed to navigate the evolving landscape of your chosen path. By embracing continuous learning, you not only enhance your superpower, but also position yourself as a dynamic force capable of overcoming any challenge that comes your way. Practice gratitude and positivity. Gratitude and positivity are the secret ingredients that amplify the strength of your superpower. In the face of adversity, it's easy to focus on what's lacking or going wrong. However, a grateful heart and a positive mindset can turn obstacles into opportunities and setbacks into stepping stones. Take time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for, both big and small. Gratitude shifts your perspective, allowing you to see the abundance in your life. Positivity, on the other hand, is a powerful magnet for success. Approach challenges with optimism, believe in your ability to overcome them, and watch how your superpower gains momentum. When you practice gratitude and maintain a positive outlook, you not only enhance your own well-being, but also radiate a magnetic energy that attracts opportunities, relationships, and experiences aligned with your superpower. Your mindset is a key factor in unlocking the full potential of the extraordinary force within you. Embrace your uniqueness. The first step in meeting your superpower is to embrace your uniqueness. Each one of us is a masterpiece, a combination of strengths, weaknesses, experiences, and talents that is entirely our own. It's time to celebrate your individuality and recognize that your differences are what make you extraordinary. Your superpower lies in your authenticity. Embrace the quirks, the imperfections, and the aspects of yourself that make you stand out. It's these very qualities that will set you apart on your journey to greatness. Unearth your passions. Passions are the fuel for your superpower. What is it that makes your heart race, your eyes light up, and your spirit soar? Your passions are the compass that guides you toward your true calling. Whether it's art, science, helping others, or solving problems, your passions are the gateway to unlocking your superpower. Take the time to explore your interests and discover what sets your soul on fire. When you align your actions with your passions, you tap into a wellspring of energy and motivation that can propel you forward, even in the face of adversity. Cultivate resilience. Resilience is the backbone of your superpower. Life is bound to throw challenges your way, but it's how you respond to them that defines your journey. Embrace setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. Your ability to bounce back from adversity, to rise stronger and wiser, is a testament to the resilience that resides within you. Think of setbacks not as roadblocks, but as detours on the path to success. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to hone your skills, strengthen your character, and inch closer to realizing your superpower. Unleash your inner strength. Your superpower is closely tied to your inner strength. This strength is not just physical but also mental and emotional. It's the quiet resolve that keeps you going when the going gets tough. It's the courage to step outside your comfort zone and confront the unknown. To meet your superpower, you must believe in your own strength. Recognize the power within you to overcome obstacles, face fears, and pursue your dreams relentlessly. Trust that you have the resilience and tenacity to weather any storm that comes your way. Connect with others. No superhero operates in isolation. Your superpower is amplified when you connect with others, building a network of support and collaboration. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire you, challenge you, and believe in your potential. Together, you can achieve far more than you could alone. Collaboration is a force multiplier for your superpower. Share your strengths, learn from others, and celebrate collective victories. In the realm of greatness, there's room for everyone to shine. Leave a lasting legacy. Your superpower is not just for your benefit. It's a gift that you can share with the world. Consider the impact you want to have on the lives of others and the legacy you want to leave behind. Your superpower is a force for good, a catalyst for positive change, whether it's through your work, your relationships, or your contributions to society. Strive to leave a lasting and positive imprint. Your superpower has the potential to create a ripple effect, inspiring others to discover and unleash their own extraordinary abilities. The hero within. Meeting your superpower is a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and purpose. Embrace your uniqueness, unearth your passions, cultivate resilience, unleash your inner strength, connect with others, and leave a lasting legacy. Your superpower is not a distant, unattainable dream. It's a reality waiting to be awakened within you. As you embark on this journey, remember that every step forward is a step toward realizing your full potential. You are the hero of your own story, and your superpower is the key to unlocking a future filled with purpose, fulfillment, and greatness. So, dear friends, it's time to meet your superpower. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it propel you to heights you never thought possible. The world is waiting for the hero within you to rise. Go forth and unleash your extraordinary abilities upon the world. Your time is now.